What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And I hope you don't mind the Hawaiian theme shirt today, but it's getting warmer out, so we got to dress the part. But anyways, today we are talking about the CV Life 3-9x40 optic that you can pick up that I have mounted here. So this is a great affordable option for anyone looking for an optic. Again, it goes 3 to 9x, so this could almost be considered like a LPVO or mid-grade where it goes 3x to 9x. It's all adjustable right here on the mount, which I'll show you, but a great affordable option if you are looking for an optic. So with that, let's go ahead. I'm gonna do the unboxing here for you, show you how to get it all mounted up, and then also show you some of the main features of it. So with that, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, welcome over to the mat here. Let's go ahead and get this guy unboxed. As you see, it just comes in a simple scope box, just like every other one does here. We're gonna cut it, open her up. Awesome, there we go. We have everything out of the package. So here's our actual scope here, and it does come with these covers on here that you can take off as well. And then this is a 3 to 9x40. So right here's the adjuster as far as going from 3x all the way to 9x on it. So it's pretty nice. And then the other nice thing about this is they do include scope mounts for you here. So that's what these are for. So we're gonna go ahead and get these installed, and then they give you the Allen wrench to go ahead and get this installed. So let's go ahead and get this put on, so that way we can install it. Awesome, and just like that, we have these scope mounts now attached here, and I leave these loose here because once we attach this to our actual, awesome, and just like that, we now have our scope mount attached here. Pretty easy to do, and I actually leave these a little bit loose here because I'm going to attach this to our top Picatinny rail first to make sure everything's lined up, because as you can see on the bottom, these are a little bit off, but once you have it mounted onto your rail, it's better to secure these down then. All right, next thing here is let's go ahead and attach it to our AR here, and you can see I actually have the CV Life bipod on the front of this one, so we'll complete the CV Life build here with this optic here. So like I said, I'm just gonna loosen these back up, attach it to the top rail here, tighten it down, and then we're gonna tighten these ones as well. Awesome, look at that. It's as simple as that for mounting it here. Like I said, all you have to do is get these two mounted to your Picatinny rail here, and then you can go ahead and have your scope mounted, tighten these guys down here, just kind of alternating which side you do. And normally what I'll do after this is take a level to this top piece here to make sure that the scope is level in the mount as well. So just another idea as far as getting your scope. But for the most part, as far as just eyeballing it on, this will do just fine. All right, so I got it set up here so that way you can actually see what it looks like to look down the scope here. So as I mentioned, this is a 3 to 9x40, so that means it goes 3x to 9x. So right now we're at 3, but if I go ahead and turn the dial, we're now at 5, 6, 7, 8, and then now we are at 9. So pretty good magnification, and the glass is actually pretty decent on it as well. So if you're looking for something that has some range to it as far as, 3 to 9x, definitely a decent option, and the price point on this is definitely affordable for anyone looking to get a new optic as well. Again, we're gonna go from 3x all the way to 6x, and then 6x all the way to 9x. And then we can go ahead and back it back down again, all the way to 3. Pretty cool. All right, so that does it for today's video. I hope this was helpful for you. Again, a great budget-friendly optic if you're looking to pick one up or try out kind of like an LPVO type optic. Again, going 3 to 9x on this. But anyways, if this was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. If you have questions, let me know down in the comments. Always happy to help as well. And until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.